Hello everyone, welcome to my channel BK with KK. As promised to you all, I am going to now present the concept Gyan series with the first concept, that is bookkeeping. Guys, now we have entered and started a journey in commerce, and as you all know, bookkeeping or accountancy is a very core subject in commerce. In fact, it's heart to the entire system of commerce. Now, you all know that bookkeeping or accounting is something which is used interchangeably. You know, these words are used interchangeably. So what is the exact difference? What word should you use for this subject? So let me tell you that there is a thin line of difference between bookkeeping, accounting and accountancy. And I am going to share this with you in today's video. As I said, there is a thin line of difference between bookkeeping, accounting and accountancy. So let me tell you what is that difference. So bookkeeping. Now what is bookkeeping? Bookkeeping is nothing but recording branch of all the accounting transactions that you put in the books of accounts. इसका मतलब क्या है कि अगर कोई भी ट्रांजैक्शन बिजनेस में होता है तो सबसे पहले वो रिकॉर्ड कहां पे होता है? In your bookkeeping notes. That is called as a primary book of entry. Okay, and all these transactions are recorded in a chronological order. That means as they happen. Now let's come to accounting. Now what is accounting and how it is different from bookkeeping? Accounting is nothing but it's a classifying and summarizing branch of accounting. मतलब accounts सारे transactions तो हमने record कर लिए bookkeeping में. अब उनको summarize और classify करना भी बहुत जरूरी है. तो let me give you an example. Let's say तुमने पूरे साल के ट्रांजैक्शंस रिकॉर्ड किए. ओके, अब तुमको जानना है कि भाई इस साल में मैंने सैलरी का खर्चा कितना किया. तो कैसे समझेगा? तो तुमको पहले सैलरी के सारे खर्चे क्लासिफाई करने पड़ेंगे और फिर उसको समराइज करने पड़ेंगे टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट मेरा टोटल सैलरी का खर्चा कितना हुआ. एंड दैट इज व्हाट वी डू इन अकाउंटिंग. नाउ लेट्स कम टू अकाउंटेंसी. Now what is accountancy? Accountancy is nothing but a reporting branch of what you have done in bookkeeping and accounting. Bookkeeping में तुम transactions record करते हो, accounting में उसको classify और summarize करते हो, और accountancy में हम उसको report करते हैं. Report करते हैं मतलब क्या करते हैं कि पूरे धंधे का end result क्या है ये हमको समझता है accountancy से. So let me tell you, accounting and bookkeeping is a subset of accountancy. Bookkeeping is a subset of accounting. So bookkeeping comes first, which is a primary book of entry, then comes accounting, and then comes accountancy. So my friends, today you have learned from me what is the difference between bookkeeping, accounting and accountancy. Thank you so much. Stay tuned in for more such videos on different concepts of accounting. Thank you.